Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see your likes history on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Tinder app open on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the bottom navigation bar where you'll see several icons. Look for the one labeled likes and tap on it. This icon is usually represented by a star or heart symbol and is your gateway to seeing all the profiles you've interacted with. After tapping on likes at the bottom, you'll be taken to a new screen. Now at the top of this screen, you'll notice there are different tabs or categories available. Make sure you're on the tab that says likes. This is important because Tinder often has multiple sections here, and you want to ensure you're viewing the correct history of your activity. By selecting this tab, you're specifically filtering to see the profiles you've liked rather than matches or other interactions. Once you've confirmed you're on the likes tab at the top, you'll now be able to see your complete likes history. This displays all the profiles you've swiped right on or shown interest in. You can scroll through this list to review everyone you've liked, which is particularly useful if you want to remember someone specific or check if they've matched with you yet. This feature gives you a clear overview of your activity on the platform and helps you keep track of your connections. And that's it. You've now accessed your likes history on Tinder, giving you full visibility of all the profiles you've shown interest in. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.